Alright everybody,
welcome back to our channel, the Parchment Fam.
Alright, so for you know when you see we face, you know say something in store. So
now when you see the background.
Yeah, today you see kitchen, so you know say we are do something in our kitchen today.
Yes.
Today we are gonna do some roast fish. But normally in our islands we use turbot or angelfish. Yeah, as a farmer is a species of angelfish.
And we do it pan
so
the stove,
yeah,
the
outside pan a roast pan when you use a roasty fish. Or you can do it on a wood fire with a mesh over it. But now we have to go improvise and use a stove. Not just that, we have to go use the wrong fish. We're going to use some yellowtail snapper because we don't have turbot here. So,
yes.
So as you can see, sorry about the noise in the background with the motor massive there.
Yes, so our son is at school and he's very loud.
So as you can see here, we have
a pack of Legos.
with thyme, scallion, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and we have some lime here, so we're going to use and clean up the fish. So just I use 4 snapper today, as you can see them here. The scale and clean up and everything already. That's it. And then the callaloo here, so we cut it up and wash it off. We will cook down with callaloo. Alright, so I get to that right about now. I'm going to start cut up the seasoning them, put on the callaloo, make it cook down, and then we get to the fish after the callaloo done cook. Alright, just follow us along the journey in our kitchen.
I see it turn out.
See it turn out. Alright, stay tuned. Yes, so seasoning the island now, fried down, you know.
And the pepper, one whole of pepper I'm using a people.
Yeah, people, so you can see now seasoning the island going fried down little, you know.
One whole of pepper I'm using people, see.
You have to have spice in the
color. Not too hard.
You don't hard, can you see this one? This is your pepper, yeah? You don't have much seed.
So you saute the seasoning. So time for some seasoning now, some meat seasoning. We use meat seasoning for everything, people. And that our all round seasoning. So now we are putting some fish seasoning of it. You see me?
Yes, you know?
Yeah, I got a little fish flavor because it will get stuffed into the fish. Yeah man.
That one.
We are making steam.
And then we add the water to making finish and season, yeah?
Yeah. Right, so we just add some water to it. Add a little more.
Callaloo ain't tough, people.
You can normally sometimes you put it the callaloo steam it on water and it that alone normally can cook it, but the callaloo are them tough. And then that's it then old.
Yeah, so I squeeze some lime and fish them now. Clean them cleaned up, you know. You squeeze on the lime cut out some my rawness.
Alright, so oven I go and preheat while we make a callaloo.
Yeah, so we have put the fish in, we leave them on top of that. You see, have a gap there where you can heat can penetrate through the foil paper, you know. So, the preheat, we are going to get the fish them when we finish.
Fish them a wait.
Fish them they wait, we get beer cup. Man, the Callaloo people. Steam up, you know. We not steam it all the way because we know so when the stuff in the fish and it go in the home, it will steam again.
Yeah. So right about now you're supposed to can start prepare your fish feet.
See Callaloo they look no pan or nothing.
Callaloo and cabbages so they stay.
Yeah. Shrink down to nothing. Alright, so we get a plate. Alright, so time we season up fish now. So we have to take out a little bit of meat season again. Right, that's all. Roll up with fish. I want a little bit inside and outside. So we'll leave this so that with that. If we need more then we can be throw, but we not overdo it.
That once and we have to throw away if anything, you know. Go with a fish.
So we mix up the two seasonings then. Fish and meat.
So one piece of file paper.
So one piece of file paper for fish number 1. Alright, so we'll do any one of them come first. So we turn off the Callaloo now because we don't want to cook it out too much.
We might cook again in the oven.
Alright.
Yeah. Just over some more. Yeah. Alright. Too much rain now, one. Callaloo probably go lift back.
Stuff him up good with the Callaloo people, you see me? And then you make a little bit stay outside because when you eat, you know. You want a vegetable with your fish. Because you just eat, get the file paper like this.
Yeah.
And eat your food.
That's alright in the morning, another one there.
I want to make you run outside way.
Really?
Like that, yeah. And you run like water upon the file paper too.
That's why you stuff fish.
Yeah, people, so you leave it like this, make a little bit stick out of the fish. Then you go wrap him tight.
That's only that way. Alright.
Yeah, alright.
The table the other way, man.
Give me some.
Yeah, alright, man. Okay, here you go. I'm turning the wheel.
Yeah.
I got some after school.
File paper, you feel thick.
It's a thick, if you say heavy duty.
Yeah. So the split part, you make it face up.
Yeah. Alright.
So this is a fish number 1. You can see over.
You put in them one at a time?
Yeah. No, I put all of them together, all of them one time, but you just get them out of the way as we go along.
So we run out of season. Remember what you say best way? Start with a little bit and then add as you go along. So yeah, we're just adding a little bit more for the last 2 fish that remain. And that, yeah, that's supposed to go good. So basically it's the same process. You know, season the fish, then stuff with some callaloo and put it in the oven. So that's how we're doing
Wait
now.
for him be ready, you know?
Yes. Callaloo time again. Alright, people. So you see them there, all 4 of them sit down there. So the fire red. So the oven still don't reach 350 yet. So once it reaches 350, we're gonna give it about 20 minutes on each side, flip it around, and then it should be good. Cause fish don't take too long to cook. Yeah, and the callaloo is like almost like 100, like 90% cooked, you would say.
Yeah. 85%.
Yeah. Like around 85% cooked. So yeah, stay tuned. So people, they are clean up. We always clean up in between when we are cook, while the stuff in the oven we clean up, so we don't have one ton load of stuff we do at the end. No, just clean up as we go along.
Yeah, people, so around 20 minutes past now. So we are about now, we are going ahead and flip these, you know, on the other side.
Just use your hand and take a bit.
I do that, guess what? No, I'd rather you try it first.
Really? Evil.
You know, you have to give me a hand to me so you
What,
try
have a
and then
rundown?
So you go. Have a rundown.
I mean, you have a job to do afterwards, don't it?
Flip them over. Alright people, so we'll check on the fish now. See what go on with them, you know?
Yes.
Straight one and then the close, the easiest one to reach.
You want a plate to put it on?
Last one there, last one we put in. So check that one on the first one.
You want a plate? Get a plate.
Let's open this and see what go on.
Juices. It's ready.
That's the bottom. The other side's almost ready too.
That's the part we'll go down last, right? Let's see it.
Yeah, that ready to see.
Yeah, man. Ready.
Some more farmers or something.
Ready, man. I want to see right there. So
Yeah,
I
people.
shade we like that.
So that's one fish.
Ready.
Close up at the heat inside. You can see full of juice and everything. So I'll go ahead and take them out. I'm gonna see what I'm going. So we just have to take out 2 we eat right about now and then
Put up the rest.
put up the rest. Alright, so let's get the other one.
You want something to put it in? Alright, so that are the remains. Now we're gonna eat now. So we're gonna prepare it and then come back and show you what it look like. Alright? Alright people, so see it there? Ready?
Yeah, people, see there. Yeah, blacky callaloo here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see the callaloo and the fish with some avocado, banana and dumpling. That's
Yes.
wifey plate. See my plate here right here, so don't know. Avocado, my crushy banana, dumpling, fish and the callaloo. And looks really come out really nice and delicious.
Yeah,
Look
man,
at it.
It was a
So you got taste,
success.
it was a success, yes.
It was a success. So if you guys were wondering,
Yeah, so normally we get to nitty gritty why we even say it was a success. We basically, because at first we do it in the oven, normally we do it on a grill or on a roast pan like we have at Jamaica. But it's the first time attempting it in the oven and it come out real good.
and with the Yellowtail snapper as well.
Alright, and we normally use turbot, but this time we use yellowtail snapper.
It's spicy.
Yeah, so how it tastes.
Spicy.
Other than spicy, how is the flavor?
Flavor nice, man. It's flavor nice.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
turn on.
So me taste it now, people.
You are gonna love the spice. Me know so that one
You can
pepper there
tell,
was
say,
spicy.
the chef do a good job, you know.
Ready.
Not spicy, man.
Okay,
Spicy a little bit.
taste the callaloo.
Let me not eat it. The right amount of spice.
For you, because you love spice.
This nice people. Mm.
It's very it's spicy chunky.
Yeah, people, so you don't know a chef deal with it proper, eh?
Yeah, man.
You know? So
There you go.
yeah, don't know say chef deal with it properly, so that is it, guys. Finish it in the kitchen now. We're gonna enjoy it, eat some food. Hope you enjoyed this video. You can go ahead and try this dish. It's really nice and easy to prepare.
Yeah, man.
So go ahead and try it out. Pretty much, you won't regret it. It's a nice dish. You can use any fish you feel like. You feel like using, just make sure you wrap it in foil paper so you don't get demolished or anything. So again, it was the end of another cooking video. We know you enjoy it. If you get this far, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified. We have also other cooking videos on the channel. Go ahead and check them out. Drop a like, comment and a share. Alright, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching again. Bye.
Bye.